Hello, today we're going to talk about different types of probability, experimental and theoretical. To start off, first I have was the definition of probability. Probability is a numerical value from 0 to 1 that measures the likelihood of an event. Starting from 0 is impossible, and all the way to 1 certain, and in between is equally likely to occur or not likely to not to occur at all. So we have experimental probability, which is how many times an event occurs divided by how many times the experiment has been done. And theoretical probability is the favorable outcomes divided by all the number of possible outcomes. Okay, so for this example, we're going to find the experimental and theoretical probability of a coin toss. And in this case, we are trying to find heads. So in order to find the theoretical probability, we have to find the number of favorable outcomes divided by the number of possible outcomes. So the number of possible outcomes is 2 because heads plus tails, or this is equal to 1 and this is also 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and heads is equal to 1 outcome because it's only 1. So theoretically would be the theoretical probability would be 1/2. As for the next one, we are trying to find experimental, and over here we have a chart. So 50 times, this experiment has been done 50 times, which means this is the denominator, because for experimental, it's number of times the event has occurred and the number of times the experiment is done. And how many times the event has occurred is 27. So 27 out of 50. So experimental is the number of events occurred divided by the number of times the experiment done. So it's been done 50 times, and heads has occurred 27 times. So the experimental probability is 27 over 50. And yes, you would simplify all of these. Okay, so this is our last problem. How many people are going to get popcorn due to last year's results? Last year's results are 50 people went to movies and 25 people got popcorn. And today there are 100 people going to the movies. How many people are going to get popcorn? So first, we would have to find this probability. So how many times the event has occurred? 25, and the total is 50. So we would have to simplify this. So 25 divided by 25 is 1, and 25 divided by 50 is 2. So the experimental probability is 1. Okay, so now that we have the probability, all we have to do is 1/2. We have to just multiply 1/2 and 100. So just cross 100 times 1 is 100. 100 divided by 2 is 50, which means 50 people will be getting popcorn. So 50 popcorn will be sold. That's it.